Hi guys, welcome to Zoom. This is Mimansa. It was a busy week and mostly dominated by BTS. While on one hand we had V throwing his first ceremonial pitch, there was Jimin back with his dating rumors, and Jungkook's 1 billion record was the high point. In case you missed out on all the updates, here's looking back at everything that made news in the past 7 days. After days of curiosity, BTS member V finally threw his first ceremonial pitch on August 26. It was a historic day for Kim Tae-young, who did the needful before the Los Angeles Dodgers and Cincinnati Reds clashed on the basketball field. As the entire fandom, including ARMYs, the audience watching the game and those glued to the live broadcast held their breaths, V's smooth move was nothing short of a memorable moment. Adding to the vibe was the Dodger Stadium playing BTS chartbuster Mic Drop. Fans couldn't get enough of V's good looks, sporting the Dodger jersey in white with number 7 dedicated to BTS. V also met Japanese baseball icon Shohei Ohtani, giving netizens a viral moment. It was a record-breaking week for BTS member Jungkook. While his 3D crossed 1 billion streams on Spotify, his Standing Next to You surpassed 200 million views on YouTube. The Golden Maknae is in a league of his own. Ever since news about his song 3D emerging as his 4th track to cross 1 billion streams on Spotify broke, fans haven't kept calm. He has now become the first and only Asian act and soloist to have 4 songs to attain the feat in Spotify's history. While 3D is the latest addition to the elite list of Jungkook's songs, it happens to be his 4th. The previous ones are 7, Left and Right, and Standing Next to You. In fact, his Standing Next to You has surpassed 200 million views on YouTube, defeating other K-pop icons like Psy, Blackpink's Lisa, Jennie and Rosé, and his own bandmates Suga in the ranking. Now Jungkook is the K-pop soloist with the most official videos, surpassing 200 million views on YouTube. BTS member Jimin and actress Song Da-yoon are back with dating rumors after a new video surfaced on the internet. On August 27, Song posted a video on her TikTok handle featuring Jimin. The clip showed her waiting inside an apartment. As the elevator doors open, Jimin walks out, visibly surprised by her presence. The video was allegedly shot at Jimin's current home at 91 Hanam in the Hanamdong neighborhood of Seoul, where he resides. While the unexpected video upload brought back their link-up rumors that first started in 2022, many fans expressed concern and slammed Song for posting it without Jimin's consent. Internet has been buzzing with reactions ever since. Many are even demanding an official statement from HYBE on the lingering dating rumor, which keeps popping up time and again. After weeks of delay, Rowoon is finally set to begin his mandatory military services soon. Rowoon's agency FNC Entertainment confirmed his enlistment set for October 27th after re-examination. The 29-year-old was initially scheduled to enlist on July 21st, but he failed to do so after his preliminary physical test results delayed the process. The K-pop idol turned actor has now been deemed fit for active duty after reassessment. He is expected to get discharged on April 26, 2027. This comes as Rowoon is gearing up for the release of his upcoming Disney Plus series, The Murky Stream, which is set to premiere on September 26th. BTS fans are furious with TXT fans Moaz for overwriting ARMY's emotional messages on Big Hit Music's old building. A slew of photos surfaced revealing that TXT fans have covered the messages written by BTS fans on the building, considered historic and emotional for the ARMYs since it has remained the training ground for BTS for years. The photos went viral and received a massive backlash, blaming Moaz for overwriting Sentimental Army's messages and sparking a fandom dispute online. Many even pointed at how TXT had not yet debuted while that building was in use by BTS, where its 7 members got trained until 2017. Given its landmark nature, fans have been writing many messages for the members on the building ever since. Gangnam Style singer Psy has been booked for taking drugs with proxy prescription. Psy is suspected of receiving prescriptions for Xanax and Stilnox from a general hospital in Seoul since 2022 without undergoing in-person medical examinations. Police alleged he violated the country's Medical Service Act. Xanax is widely used to treat anxiety disorders, while Stilnox is prescribed for short-term insomnia treatment in adults. Both drugs require strict medical oversight and direct prescriptions from licensed doctors. Psy reportedly did not undergo in-person diagnosis. Instead, his manager collected the drugs on his behalf. His agency has claimed he suffered from chronic sleep disorder. An official trailer of BTS movie Weeks was released, giving a sneak peek into 4 remastered concert films of the band. The special cinematic series comes ahead of BTS' much-awaited comeback next year. It'll give fans around the world a chance to relive the group's most iconic stage moments in theaters. The trailer takes fans on a nostalgic journey, highlighting BTS's record-breaking concerts over the past 8 years while also teasing their upcoming return. BTS movie Weeks is set to be a global event scheduled to run between September 24th to October 5th, with screenings across more than 2,500 theaters in over 65 countries. India's K-Town Charm music event is returning with a fresh lineup of K-pop artists. India will see K-Town returning with its 3rd edition, K-Town 3.0. Slated to be held on November 1st in Mumbai, the annual event is expected to witness 30,000 fans in attendance. The lineup of artists who will perform includes Shine's Taemin, Super Junior's subunit D&E members Donghae and Yoonhyuk, and former Treasure member Yedam. 1V and new talent J will also enthrall audience. There's more from India. BTS member V arrived at the Incheon airport, grabbing the attention of Desi fans due to an Indian connection. Soon after throwing his first ceremonial pitch in Los Angeles, V returned to South Korea, flaunting Indian embroideries along with a signature vibe. The beloved singer was spotted wearing Indian-born Delhi-based design house Kartik Research's creation, and his photos went viral, especially on Desi fan pages in no time. The official Instagram handle of the designer also shared V's photo, leaving his Indian armies extremely happy and excited. Global OTT Awards 2025 announced its winners, which included artists like IU, Park Bo-gum, Kentaro Sakaguchi and Park Hyun-bin, among many more. The 2025 International Streaming Festival's Global OTT Awards gave out several notable titles. While 9 puzzles emerged Best OTT Original, IU and Park Bo-gum's When Life Gives You Tangerines got Best Writer and Best Creative awards. Japanese actor-model Kentaro Sakaguchi, who was recently seen with Blackpink member Lisa in the short film Dream, was adjudged Best Lead Actor for What Comes After Love. Meanwhile, Park Hyun-bin became Best Lead Actress for a remarkable performance in Hyper Knife. And that's all in this week's edition. For all the entertainment updates, follow Zoom. This is Mimamsa Shekhar signing off. Bye-bye.